Today we're talking oral health again. This time not the modalities, not the treatments. We're not showing you who we are working on or what exactly we're doing at the moment. Today we are looking at administrative issues of Identalcare Uganda. This is a clinic that came and has not relaxed at all in ensuring that we bring you the best in dental treatments. Okay, Lero Tulinani, we have a Kandinda Tracy Mimi. She is the COO, that is Chief Operations Officer of Identalcare Uganda. Agenda kuwatubulira what makes them unique as a clinic. Don't forget, we have 3 fully equipped clinics around Kampala, that is Ntinda, where we are located. This is, what is the name of the complex? Emesa, yes. Complex. Emesa Complex, right opposite Kampala Independent Hospital. We are also situated at Equatorial Mall, along Bombo Road, yes, near Bank of Africa. We are also in Bwaise. Wona wosangira opportunity, wofunira problem ewakwangwira, just give us a call, make an appointment, and we'll guide you on where exactly to go. Tracy is here to clear a few things that we want you to know, or which we think you would need to know. First, you've seen our technology, very top notch. You've seen our facilities, very, very inviting. Some have come in to be sure what exactly is going on. They've even received treatment. And when you enter into Identalcare, most times you're thinking, this place must be expensive. Why? Because it looks really, really nice. And personally, I believe wherever you're working from, the place must be really nice. We are very expensive. No. And Tracy can attest to this. Is it true?
We are not. I think contrary to popular belief, I'd say that I think that question speaks into the investment we've made in terms of the technology, but also in the service quality that we offer to our patients. But it's not. We're actually the most affordable dental clinic around.
I tell people that, and they think
it is. It's actually so true. Did you know that when you come to our dental clinic at any of our branches, either Ntinda, Equatorial Mall, or Bwaise, and you actually have your services done with us, you actually don't pay consultation. Like, where have you seen that happen?
When do you pay consultation?
If at all you just walk in and then you just do consultation, you pay consultation. But once you do your consultation and we do your treatment with us, we do not charge you anything at all. So
that means I don't pay immediately I enter.
No, you do not.
I go see a doctor, and when we eventually get into the treatment bit,
exactly,
the bill comes out, no consultation.
No consultation.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was impressed the other time I was speaking to Dr. Ibran. He told me you can get a full root canal at iDental at 300,000.
Yes.
Wow. The first time I did a root canal was about 7 years ago, or even over 7 years ago, and it cost me 900,000. The whole 3 visits, each at 300.
Wow. No, that speaks into why do we exist? We want to make sure that dental services are very accessible. It's our mission to make sure that it's very accessible and affordable to people. So we'll ensure that we're giving the best quality at the most affordable rate. So yes, you can walk into Bwaise or Equatorial Mall and you get your root canal done at as low as 300,000 for all of your 3 visits.
Wow. Okay. Adult or young?
Yes, please.
Okay.
300,000. So I guess that answers the question. I see a lot of
affordability
below your video. iDental looks very expensive. It's so costly. Oh my gosh, those lights. No.
Very affordable. What is that machine I went into?
The OPG?
Yes.
Yeah, the OPG. We have
I understand it's a very,
machine.
very expensive machine.
It is quite, but it helps our dentists make very good diagnosis of what could be wrong with you. We have an OPG machine at every point of our branches. So when you walk into any of our branches, either Bwaise or Equatorial and Ntinda branch, we have an OPG. So we won't need to send you out of our clinics for you to get a 3D imaging. No, we'll do it here if the doctor needs it. We'll just order for it. It will be done, and within a couple of minutes, you'll have your results, and we'll be able to work on you. Simple as that.
Same to the dentures.
Oh yes, we do have a laboratory as well. I'm enjoying talking about this because we've planned for this over the years, and we're finally living the dream of ensuring that we have a full center, a full dental center in one place. So we do have a laboratory here at Antinda branch. The laboratory services are equatorial and Boise orders.
Okay.
So for those who do not know, yes, dental facilities actually require a laboratory or laboratory services to fabricate artificial teeth. So here at Identalcare, we have our own laboratory where our teeth are made. We do not take outside orders. The laboratory completely exists to service all of our patients. So what this does is reduces waiting time. We don't have to go about, if you have worked with maybe other dental clinics or something, you will know that the number one problem with laboratories, dental laboratories, they will always take you about circles. That doesn't happen here.
Time wastage.
There's a lot of time wastage. If you need to take a flight, there's a lot of delay. So we'd always planned to ensure that our patients have the shortest waiting time possible. So when a doctor sees a patient, they just place in an order to the lab, regardless of which branch they are at. We have a standby courier person who will deliver the order to that particular branch. And in a short time, you'll have your acrylic dentures, you'll have your PFMs within a very short time.
So I guess these are the things that make Identalcare unique.
Yes, definitely.
What else makes this clinic unique?
Well, apart from that technological advancement that we pride ourselves in, it's also about the locations. We have, I'm so glad that I get to work with an incredible vision bearer that a lot of you people do not know, but he was very strategic in choosing the locations of the clinics. So we have a branch in Boise, which is the suburbs, and it's close to a market area. It's also very close to a very, very busy place. So we want to ensure that dental care is very accessible. You are at work, it's okay. You can just walk into a clinic and then you can quickly go back to work.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Then we have painless, FYI, very painless. Technology has gone on to advance, Farida, over time, and dental visits are not supposed to be the scary horrors anymore. You will have a painless experience. You are in the market. They can just easily walk by the clinic. Then we have a branch at Equatorial Mall, and specifically, I think the founder of iDental was a hustler downtown. So he found a problem of having to go to those urban, more calmer centers without leaving his work. So at Equatorial branch, we will cater for the traders. Equatorial is located just downtown. All those people over Watseka or Wino, all of them, those are our clients. So while they go on with their trade, while they're going on with their businesses, they can easily walk in as well and get to receive.
Even if it's a drop-off.
Even if it's a drop-off.
Just at the entrance, the car finds parking.
Just at the entrance.
You get fixed.
There's parking space. They come in, see a dentist, and then go back swiftly. And then we were like, okay, we need to make sure that you do not get any excuse for not seeking dental help. We have a branch here in Tinda, which is a highly residential area. So anytime you're driving back home, Friday you stay within, anytime you're like, and that's the thing we want to fight. People get lazy. You get a little bit uncomfortable. You're like, ngenda kugenda, I just continue that way. Then the problem exacerbates. It becomes harder, and then it becomes even harder to treat. But we know our people. We're like, do you know what? Anytime you're going back home.
Sometimes you fail to get A few minutes to spend, a few hours
Yeah,
to
a
spend
few
at the
hours to
clinic
spend.
during the day. So on your way
Drop
back home,
by. Yeah, along Kiwatule Road.
because I noticed you guys close very late.
Yeah, we do. We actually, especially the Antinda branch, by 11 we are still open.
11 p.m.
11 p.m. And you can use your insurance card, by the way. You can use your Prudential card. You can use your APA card. You can use your GA insurance card. You can also use your CIC insurance card.
That is one question I always found hard time telling people. They don't want a no for an answer. Do you guys have insurance? No.
Yes, we do have insurance.
No. Until recently when God answered those prayers. Congratulations.
Thank you. And I know a lot of your followers, I don't know if this video is going to be posted on your page, but a lot of your followers, like I see the comments sometimes when I check out the videos, and they're like, oh, do these guys have insurance? Do these guys have insurance? Yes, we do. We do have insurance for those who have your cards. You're blessed enough for your company to provide insurance. Drop by Prudential, CIC, APA, and GA insurance.
Okay. Do the insurance card holders also enjoy some offers?
Well, yes, definitely. So we've partnered with each and every one of these insurance companies. So what we do is they select like a company. I think the companies make a request to them and then they call us. Now what I do is provide a dental team, a surgeon or like assistants, and then we go to them like a mobile dentistry clinic. We go to their companies so that it doesn't affect their normal day-to-day. We go to these companies, we sit down there like an entire day, and what we do basically is educate them on dental oral hygiene, and then we do free checkups. And then for any follow-ups, they have to come to the clinic. But as far as that is concerned, we do partner with them, and we have like an outreach every week at a particular company.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
They request.
Yeah, they always tell us. They have like a schedule. So by now I know which company we have to go to next week or this week and the other week. So we always know, and I provide the dental teams who go there, and we do what we do best.
Okay, is that all that makes us unique?
Well,
of course, customer care.
Oh yes, definitely. When you look at our vision, we want to be the leading dental healthcare provider, and we are very, very committed to it, and will continue to advance in all the dental practices. But most importantly is the team that rides with us. The team that rides with us understands the vision. We are fully committed to providing very, very good dental oral hygiene education, most especially. We prioritize our patients. I think you see our TikTok, if anyone leaves a comment, I see my social media team calling me and they're like, Tracy, there's this lady on TikTok. They send me screenshots. The lady has said, oh, she came here and then she can't reach us. And then we respond immediately. I think there's a time we did a thing with you for your followers, where we offered something for, people wanted to restore their smiles.
Yeah, I remember the Afande.
Yes.
Is it for Porto?
Yeah, I think Hoima. She was from Hoima. So one of the reasons we do such things is we want our patients to see what is behind iDental, what are the processes, because we can't document the journey of every one of our patients, but we use such opportunities to show people why we actually exist, besides the money, besides all of that. The heart of our existence, the heart of existence of Identalcare is to provide the best dental health care to our patients, and we do not compromise that. And it is reflected, the question that you started with, people think we're expensive because of the level of investment we have, we put into the clinics.
I also took a keen interest in how you handle the children, the babies.
Oh yeah, we've
with
trained,
utmost love to make them very comfortable.
And all of that is so intentional. We've gone ahead to train our staff to deal with children, because 3 years ago, or maybe even 5, dental care in general was not in the place that it is right now. And for us, 3 years ago, iDental itself was not in a place to provide all of that. But I like that we've progressively been responsive. Like you've always been here, you bring your baby girls here. We created a special room for the children because most of them have like horrific experiences. But the dental industry, the healthcare industry has evolved over time, and like there's so much we could do, and there's so much we are doing, and yeah, we can see where it's going, and it's amazing. It's amazing. So we work on children. We have staff trained to be patient with the kids, give them a memorable experience that they'll grow up and have a home. A dental home. I've seen a video of one of our staff here teaching parents about children having dental homes.
I actually didn't know about dental homes until
right,
that
and
day.
it's actually a thing. I was speaking to my friend who stays in Germany, and they were telling me that when you give birth, they start teaching you about what you need to do, and by the time the child is like 5 months, the hospital actually calls you to tell you your baby is due for a visit. And I was like, oh my gosh, our surgeon here was teaching about that, and it's something that developed countries, some of the things we want to bring here to teach parents about those things. That information is so important. So we've already started at it. We have a dedicated team for children. We have a room that just calms their nerves, and so that they feel at home, and the whole dental experience is a walkover.
Okay. Great. Apart from treatments, okay, what else does Identalcare do to contribute to these beautiful smiles that we enjoy?
All right. So we're heavily committed again. We're so heavily committed to spreading dental health information out there. It has been a neglected and also feared part of the health sector, I think. I do not know why. But we ensure that we do outreaches. Our outreaches are gift of a smile outreaches. We've done a couple of those, and we are still doing a couple of those. We were at NBS a couple of weeks ago, and we were just doing oral health education. We're also doing free checkups, and also ensuring that they also come back. They know that they have to keep going to that dental clinic to know how they need to care for their teeth. So we've done those, and we keep doing those. Those are the best ways. So we focus on where we find the people when they are not at home. But other than that, we've done like normal camps in the markets, in the villages.
Oh, so you don't just target the big companies?
We don't just target them. Our goal, because every human being has teeth. So basically, everyone has to know how to take care of their teeth. They have to know how to maintain oral hygiene. So we do companies, but we also do like communities. We reach out to them, we get a day, I give them a dental team, and they spend the entire day just educating and doing free checkups, maybe a few extractions here and there. And yeah.
Okay, we don't want to take long doing this. So briefly or finally, where do we see Identalcare in the next 5 years, for example? I see we have 3 branches so far. Do we expect to make it 5 very soon? Well, that's it. We are going to perfect what we have already.
We are going to truly perfect, but also anything can happen anytime. Our goal remains to be the leader in dental healthcare. And we're going to keep doing that by advancing along with technology to ensure that we give our patients the best dental care. And we are very willing to learn in the process. We are very willing to improve with the feedback that our patients give us. And yeah, we're just getting started.
Oh.
We're just getting started.
About 5 years?
About 8 years, actually.
Oh.
About 8 years. And I'm actually surprised a lot of people don't know that. I think it's because social media has just started catching up.
You guys have really taken advantage of this social media thing.
We've done a lot of education because we want to use every tool to ensure that oral health hygiene information is out there. So yeah, about 8 years.
Okay.
We've grown actually, 8 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're going to see a more technology, every new technology that comes up, you guys embrace.
We want dental healthcare to be accessible. We want it to be painless, at least close to painless. We want it to be affordable.
Very affordable.
Very affordable. And yeah.
So in Tinder branch, I want to assume it's for the corporates, right?
Residential. I want to play it safe. Yeah, Identalcare branch is located in a residential area. It's where you pass when you're going back home. So
I was looking at the setting and I thought it was for the corporates, so everybody can. The prices are not different from what's in Boise.
A little bit different because of, the area, but it's still pretty affordable.
Okay. Okay, anything else you want us to know before we leave?
Well, I cannot wait to see you at any of our branches. My team and I are very committed to providing the best dental health care to you. Please do not hesitate. If you've been a patient with us here before, please do not hesitate to get back to us in case there's something you'd want us to improve. But also, I'd like to thank our patients. We have so many patients, but I want to thank you for trusting us, for choosing us every day. Remain to ensuring that we give you the best.
The best.
Yes, Identalcare, see the difference a smile makes.
Smile makes, yes. And Gabolide, so many good things happening. That means abantu bangi bagala nnyo ebirungi. Ekitegeeza many people are most likely to come in at the same time. That's why I encourage you guys to use this number to call anytime, fix an appointment to avoid long waiting hours. Oyinza okuja on a day that has been overly booked, no tuuka, and you get disappointed because they are going to work on first come, first served basis. So please make it a habit to call. You can also walk in on a good day. Oyinza okujanga is not the best of days. Yes, remember our branches are in Tinder, Boise, and along Bombo Road on Equatorial Mall. Thank you so much for supporting Identalcare. We are committed to make sure we serve you better. Insurance is on board and more companies are coming up. So keep watching and keep supporting. God bless you. Bye-bye.